Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment I've been waiting for a long time. People kept asking me about the new Tucson, the best-selling Hyundai SUV. And every time, it was so difficult for me to hide my excitement because this is what we've been working on. Finally, we are bringing something fresh, next level design into the crowded SUV segment. Something new for our beloved customers to be able to choose from what is out there. Since the introduction of our design identity, sensuous sportiness, we intend to elevate the emotional response of our designs that touches your heart and create transformative design experiences. Each model is given its own unique and distinctive character with what we call the Hyundai look. The Tucson proudly stands in our lineup as the most dynamic SUV design and conveys the trend-setting spirit we've dared to challenge conventions with an experimental design. We did not want to create just another SUV. We wanted to create something iconic. Well, it all begins with the first impression. Utilizing the best lamp technology available at Hyundai, we seamlessly integrated the lights into the grille. We call it the parametric hidden lights. As you can see here, they're completely invisible when turned off. And then the lights appears from nowhere, adding an emotional touch that is simply magical. Can you imagine seeing these lights on the road for the first time? The distinctive face will tell you what car is overtaking you. Strong, robust, and energetic, the car is bigger than ever before. The long hood, level roof, and short overhangs with a stretched wheelbase that emphasize its coupe-like avant-garde character. What an amazing proportion. Chiseled surfaces like crystal core and sharp edges creates a striking contrast between sleek silhouette and masculine wedge. Chunky angular surface seamlessly merge into the wheel arches like the 70s Bertone style, while the large 19-inch wheels complete the powerful and dynamic posture. Moving to the rear, the full-width tail lamp continues the parametric dim with unique light details hidden in plain sight. Just look at that. The transparent glass-type emblem and hidden wiper create a super clean surface that allows you to appreciate the purity of the design concept. Now, let's get inside. Enter space, where space, technology, and information organically intersect. A layered, naturally flowing layout that also represents the seamless user experience we built into the interior. To create an airy environment, we dropped the instrument display downward for a completely flat upper surface. The layer which naturally cools the interior, that passes through IP, connecting to the console, front door, and even rear door.